Why is the Vermont Avenue intersection in Las Vegas still closed after the recent accident? The answer goes beyond just clearing wreckage. There's a surprising web of safety, investigation, and repair work holding it up. After a serious accident, authorities don't just clear the scene and reopen the road. They conduct a thorough investigation to understand exactly how the accident happened. This involves gathering evidence like skid marks, vehicle positions, and witness statements. This process ensures any legal or safety issues are fully addressed, which can take days or even weeks depending on the complexity. Beyond investigation, the intersection often requires extensive cleanup. Debris from vehicles and damaged road signs or traffic signals must be removed or replaced. Sometimes, the road surface itself is damaged and needs repair to ensure driver safety. These repairs can't be rushed, especially at busy intersections, contributing to the extended closure. Keeping the intersection closed is also a critical safety measure. With damaged infrastructure and ongoing work, reopening too soon could cause more accidents. Traffic is rerouted through detours with clear signage to manage flow safely. This cautious approach prioritizes public safety over convenience, explaining why closures can last longer than expected. While frustrating, the extended closure is about public safety first. Reopening too soon risks malfunctioning signals and unstable road conditions, which can lead to more accidents. By taking extra time, city officials ensure the intersection will be safe for everyone when it finally reopens. So the Vermont Avenue intersection remains closed not just because of the accident wreckage, but due to critical safety inspections and repairs that protect you and all road users. Next time you wonder why a road stays closed, remember the unseen work behind the scenes. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.